Hello! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 active, and I'm gonna show you how to change the step goals or goals for the amounts of steps taken on this watch. Before we start, if you want to change the step goal on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Huawei Health application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Huawei Health application on our phone, of course the one that is paired with our watch. And once you open the app, you should see the health page, and on the health page you should see the activity menu, and on it you should see today's steps, and we have something out of something. Tap on this to open the steps menu, and here we have the progression bar, and above it we have steps, and then we have goal, and next to the goal we have this edit icon. Tap on this edit icon, and now we can edit the step goal by swiping on the slider, and once you're done you can tap on the save button, and as you can see the goal changed. And once you change it, you can close the app, and that's how you change the step goals on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.